Are you ready to elevate your virtual meetings in 2024? Google Meet has rolled out exciting new features that can transform how you connect with colleagues and friends. From improved collaboration tools to enhanced security options, there is so much to explore. In this guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of Google Meet, ensuring your video calls are engaging and productive. Don't let outdated methods hold you back. Let's dive in and revolutionize your online communication. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Meet. So first of all, all I have to do is click over and open your browser, and you'll find like that. Then you dive into meet.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Google Meet? Google Meet is a video conferencing platform by Google designed for hosting virtual meetings and webinars. Its purpose is to enhance communication and collaboration, enabling users to connect seamlessly from anywhere with features like screen sharing and real-time captions. It supports both personal and professional interactions. In a digital world, Google Meet is essential for fostering teamwork and maintaining relationships remotely. So this is it. You can just get started right now. We have here video calls and meetings for everyone. You have here connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere with Google Meet. Here we have new meeting. You have just to create a meeting for later. Here is your sign-in info. We have here send this to people you want to meet for it. So let's click it over again. You will find here is your sign-in info as I said, and you will find this. Send this to people you want to meet with. Be sure to save it so you can use it later too. You can just copy it here, and you can also enter a code or link that you receive from your friend, and you click over join and you get started in joining with your friends. Also, you can use other option which is set start an instant meeting. You click over it and you will find this page. We have here sign in, and let's wait for it. So Google Meet, it's very helpful and useful. It can provide like talk with your customers, talk with your friends, co-workers, discuss about anything you want. Then we have here the home page to get started. You can add others here like that. Then we have or share this meeting link with others you want in the meeting. Here we have people who use this meeting link must get your permission before they can join. Then we have here also, you can click over here, bring yourself to the screen. For myself, only for everyone. Then we have here also other things like here we have your camera is turned off, selecting an effect will turn it. We have the background here, we have the new one here, the blur and personal backgrounds, professional here, we have cozy home, nature, we have stylized, fantasy. You select the one you want. Then we have filters here, funny one, we have the characters, customs, accessories also. Then we have your appearance, just video lighting makes it easier to see you against a bright background, as you can see. Then we have styles here, have cloudly, we have sunlight, we have moonlight also, and we have the first one which is this one. So this is it for those options. Then we have this option about show more info, about audio settings. Then we have here video settings. Then we have here turn on caption, we have send a reaction, present now, and we have here raise your hand and more options such as change layout, full screen, open picture in picture, apply visual effects, turn on captions, report a problem, report abuse, troubleshooting, and help settings. Then we have here the last one which is leave call. Then we have here meeting details. As you can see, we have here sign info, copy sign info here and you share it with your friends. Then we have here people, add people here, you can search for people here, and we have here contributors. Then we have here also chat with your friends, and then we have here unless in call messages. As you can see, we have here features add-ons, we have here premium breakout rooms, live streaming, polls, recording, as I said to you, then we have host controls here also. Host controls, we have here host management, share the screen, send shot images, send reactions, then we have turn on their microphone, and we have turn on their video, and we have other things like meeting access type, we have open, trusted also, and this is we have here also the time, and then you get started. And then you will find this in the homepage. We have here new method again, and you have just to click over it, and you will find here again three things. The first one, which is create a method, and we have schedule in Google Calendar. You click over it, but before here we have meetings here, and we have also the option of calls. Once you click over it, you will find here other things, as you can see. Here we have search, contact, or deal here, and this is we have video. Once you click over new method here and you select schedule in Google, you will find this. As you can see here, we have welcome to your new Google Calendar, and you click over got it. We have here other options like you have to add here a title, as you can see. Let's load it again. Here you have just to add a title. You select the time that you want and which time you want to end it, and we have here to select if it's all day, does not repeat here, daily, weekly on Friday, monthly on the first Friday, annually on October 4, every weekday, and we have here custom also. We select it here and you click over or done. Then we have here event details. We have just to join with Google Meet. You add a location also, add a notification, and we have you select the color that you want. Then we have here free also, or you are busy. Then we have default visibility, public or private also. Then we have here this events details can't be seen by others unless they have at least. Make changes to events permission for this calendar. Here we have you add a description if you want. As you can see, we have here add guests, and we have here also guest permissions, modify events, and we have invite others, see guest lists also. You have find a time. You have just to select here if it's today, or you select the time that you want. You have the day here, week, and we have all guests. Then you click over save. Once you do that, you will find this page. You have just to write, for example, other calendars. You choose the one you want, or the day and the time. Then you get started. So Google Meet is an essential tool for seamless virtual communication, whether for work, education, or socializing. Its intuitive features enhance collaboration and engagement, making meetings more productive. By following the simple steps, you can easily navigate the platform and make the most of your online interactions. Embrace Google Meet to elevate your virtual experiences. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.